What's up, guys? Genesis GV70 Performance coming to you live from the GV70 in my driveway. Why? Because I'm editing video and I forgot to shoot an intro. So, blow-off valve video. I know I'm like 4 or 5 days late. I've been busy and I wanted to get a few more pictures for the DIY so you guys could do this stuff at home. It's really easy. But I wanted to be as detailed as possible because I assume that a handful of you may or may not have messed with cars in the past, and I do it for a living, so I wanted to be as thorough as possible. Anyway, without running my mouth too much more, check out the video.
I picked these up as a temporary solution while I'm waiting on the silicone caps to show up. While I do think these may increase airflow to the turbos, I know it's just sucking in hot engine bay air, so I will be capping them off.
Now that we've got our blow-off valve mod done, let's go out and take it for a spin, see how it sounds.